Okay, so you get to Facebook and you see a picture like this one. And you see some guy hammering some wall and it says this is history being erased in 1989 and you don't know exactly what is happening except that he's hammering evidently in the morning and probably in the evening, probably all over this land, but you don't know why. So here's what you can do. If you do a screenshot of this picture, and it's done different ways in different phones, and then in the lower left-hand corner you click on the little snapshot of that screenshot. Then you pinch in the upper right-hand corner to just get the essence of the picture. In other words, a lot of that other stuff was added. I want to see where this picture exists on the internet. Well, I could file that and save it someplace, but I've actually set up my machine so that Reversee is one of the options that I can send that picture to. So the picture goes through Reversee, which takes a minute unless you pay Reversee. And then in the upper right-hand corner, if you press the search button, you'll see that Reversee will send the picture to Google, and Google will go looking all over the internet for any place that it can find that picture, and all of the places where it finds the picture are places where it talks about the fall of the Berlin Wall. So clearly this was a picture that represented the fall of the Berlin Wall. Pretty cool, huh?